Hello, welcome to Smart Trader channels. I make video about trading strategy. I want to help you become a profitable trader by show you how trading strategies work. In this video, I am going to show you 5-minute trading strategy for Forex stock crypto using the Hoonswitch indicator and Trix indicator. Okay, I will show you how to set up the indicator. Go to the indicator, search for Hoonswitch indicator by Insilico and Trix Histogram. Trix Histogram Arnold 112 by JustUncleL. Okay, the Trix indicator I use the default setting. The Hoonswitch indicator I change the length to 51 and length multiplier to 1.5. Okay, I will post the input in the descriptions below. For buy trades, so it's very simple. When the price above the Hoonswitch is green and the market is not in the overbought market, we find the trading range. Define it here. We find the trading range and we wait for the market break out of the trading range and then retest. We will entry at the retest and we put our stop loss below the recent swing low. Here we can go for a target at least 1 to 1. Okay, as you can see here, I define a trading range and I wait for the market break out of the trading range. This is the breakout bar and with entry as the retest of the trading range. For buy signal, we can go for the risk and reward ratio at least 1 to 1. Okay, and for the sell, we also find the trading range here and we wait for the market to break out of the trading range and then retest. We entry at the retest. Okay, sometimes the market do not retest the high, retest the breakout point, so we cancel the trade. Okay, I hope you understand the strategy. I want to show you more example. Okay, we can see the market go into the consolidations or trading range is framed by 2 swing high and 2 swing low. So my plan is wait for the market break out of the trading range and retest, entry here and stop loss below the range low. Okay, now if the price break below the range low and retest, we do not sell because the Hoonswitch is green. Now you see the markets break out below and the Hoonswitch is green, so we do not sell. Okay, in here we see the market frame a trading range here breakout and retest. I define trading range by this and this. So see the market breakout of the trading range. This is a breakout bar and retest. You can put a long order here, put stop loss below here, risk and rewards at least 1 to 1. In here, as you can see, the market failed breakout and come right into the trading range once again. So if you scare, you can get out break even here. I scare the market's now in the trading range right now. Okay, we hold our trades. Okay, now in here the whole switch is turned red and we can scratch a trace. With me, if we go for the risk and rewards 1 to 1 is a winning trade, but it's okay. I'll find another trade. Okay, as you can see here, the market's in a trading range. And my plan is way breakout retest here. Market did not break out yet, so the whole switch is turned green, so we cancel the plan and whole switch. And our plan now is wait for the market to break out and retest entry here. You can see the market have a breakout bar here, so we entry long when the market retest. Okay, entry trigger. Okay, we want this trade. Okay, I hope you understand this trading strategy. Remember, trade with the trend, buy as support and sell at resistance. Only risk 1 or 2% per trade. Back test on a demo trade before using your live account. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.